When my mother and my father decided to get married, and that is a fascinating story unto its own, they were rebels. My father is an actor of television, of soap operas, and of theater, and he, being an actor in the 1940s, in the 1950s, really the 1950s, was something absolutely daring. It was rebellious, and was not seen with the positive eyes by the establishment. It was not too far from probably being a prostitute. And so my grandmother, my father's mother, was adamant that this was not a profession for a Jewish boy, and that it would ultimately lead to perdition. She did everything in her power and more to stop him from becoming an actor. And that meant that every time my father applied for or auditioned for a play or applied for a job, my grandmother found all sorts of strategies to impede those activities. But she was married to a man who had a very different point of view, my grandfather. And as my father tells it, because I didn't meet my grandfather, it was my grandfather who, under the table, would give him some money or would encourage him to continue doing the acting